Hi, welcome back to Lesson 2, Acids and Hydrogen Ions. Okay, the learning outcomes for today. We're going to describe the meaning of an acid in terms of the ions they produce in aqueous solution. Okay, let's look at an experiment. You have two test tubes, each filled with citric acid crystals. In the first tube on the left, you have the dry blue litmus paper, and the one on the right with magnesium strip without water. Two more test tubes on the right hand side, you have both citric acid dissolved in water. Same, tube number 3, you have blue litmus paper dipped into the solution, and tube number 4, magnesium ribbon dipped into the solution. Let's see what actually happens. In tube number 1, there is no color change in the litmus paper. But in tube number 2, the blue litmus paper has turned red. Same thing in tube 2, there is no reaction with the magnesium strip. Whereas with water, in tube 4, bubbles of hydrogen gas being observed, being given out from the magnesium strip. What can you conclude from this experiment? As you can see, the citric acid crystals, when dissolved in water, shows the properties of an acid. What is so special about this water? You will see that water is important for the acid to show its properties as acidic properties. Let's take a look at another experiment. Hydrogen chloride in water, hydrogen chloride in organic solvent. Do you think there's any change when a piece of dry blue litmus paper is added to hydrogen chloride dissolved in water or hydrogen chloride in organic solvent? For the dry blue litmus paper, when added into hydrogen chloride in water, it would turn red. But the dry blue litmus paper, when added into hydrogen chloride in organic solvent, there is no reaction. What do you think? Is there any reaction when a piece of magnesium ribbon is added into it? In hydrogen chloride water, when magnesium ribbon is added into it, there is a reaction. Whereas in hydrogen chloride in organic solvent, there is no reaction. Let's think. What do you think is the cause of this observation? The answer is hydrogen ions. Hydrogen ions are produced when acids dissolve in water. And it's these hydrogen ions that cause or show the properties of acids. As you see, the hydrogen chloride molecules, when dissolved in water, becomes hydrogen ions, plus ions, and the chloride minus ions, as in the equation below. What about hydrogen chloride molecules in an organic solvent? Well, without water, acids consist of molecules only. There is no hydrogen ions, and it does not show any acidic properties. So let's define what is an acid. An acid is any substance that produces hydrogen ions, H+, in water. Let's recap. An acid is a substance that produces hydrogen ions, H+, aqueous in water. And it's the hydrogen ions that are responsible for all acidic properties observed. Alright, thank you. Sekejap.